thank you for the amazing response that you people are giving to the prediction that was uploaded yesterday for the first match of the Champions Trophy 2025 that will be played between Pakistan and New Zealand. Now, so continuing the series, now in this one we are going to predict the winner of the second match of the Champions Trophy 2025 that will be played between India and Bangladesh, and this will be played on 20th of February. And let me make this very clear that to do this prediction, I have considered the two captains to be Rohit Sharma for India and Najmul Hossain Shanto for Bangladesh. The two captains that I have taken into consideration are Rohit Sharma for India and Najmul Hossain Shanto for Bangladesh. और ये बहुत ही एक डिटेल्ड प्रेडिक्शन है जो कि काफ़ी लेंदी थी, टीडियस थी। इसमें मैच डे के 10 पैरामीटर्स को कंसिडर किया गया है और दोनों कप्तानों के 13 पैरामीटर्स को कंसिडर किया गया है और एवरी सिंगल पैरामीटर ऑफ द मैच डे, the compatibility of every single parameter of the match day has been checked with every single parameter of the two captains. So in total 130 compatibilities were checked. 130 compatibilities were checked to arrive at the conclusion. 130 compatibilities चेक हुई हैं और ये 130 compatibilities चेक करने के बाद मुझे जो रिज़ल्ट मिला वो ये था कि नजमुल हुसैन शांतु लीड कर रहे थे 41 पैरामीटर्स पे और हमारे भारत के कप्तान रोहित शर्मा लीड कर रहे थे 47 पैरामीटर्स पे। तो इस वजह से मेरा प्रेडिक्शन इस मैच के लिए, इंडिया वर्सेस बांग्लादेश के इस मैच के लिए जो कि चैम्पियंस ट्रॉफी 2025 का दूसरा मैच होगा, जो कि 20 फरवरी 2025 को खेला जाएगा, उसके लिए मेरा प्रेडिक्शन ये है कि इस मैच की विनर होगी इंडिया। माई प्रेडिक्शन फॉर दिस मैच इज़ that the winner of this match between India and Bangladesh will be India. My prediction is that the winner of this match will be India. So stay tuned for more and thank you so much for this overwhelming response. When the response will be such, I will be thankful to you as well. So please do not think that I'm just criticizing the viewers. But yeah, I have to say that still I am receiving texts, I am receiving messages every single day, maybe every single hour. But the same is not evident from the number of subscribers or the number of likes or or even the number of members. I mean, forget about joining. Like, people are not even, subscribing or liking. But they are, texting. They are messaging on WhatsApp. They want their content. But as a viewer, the least that they should do is not being done by them. So that is ironic. As a viewer, like आप मैसेज कर रहे हो कि आपको ये चाहिए, लेकिन एज अ व्यूअर एक चैनल के प्रति आपकी जो मिनिमम जिम्मेदारी है वो तक अगर आप अदा नहीं कर रहे हो, जैसे कि द लीस्ट आई वुड से इज सब्सक्राइब एंड लाइक दैट टेक्स जस्ट द क्लिक ऑफ अ बटन. For that you need to just click a button. Forget about commenting, forget about sharing, forget about joining the channel, forget about contributing to the channel. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट. लेकिन जो मिनिमम है वो है सब्सक्राइब करना और लाइक करना. इतना भी नहीं कर रहे हो लेकिन आप मैसेज कर रहे हो कि भाई मुझे ये वीडियो चाहिए, मुझे ये प्रेडिक्शन चाहिए. तो ये आयरॉनिक है और ये किसी हद तक हास्यास्पद भी है. इट्स ऑल्सो फनी एट द सेम टाइम. आई एम बीइंग वेरी सॉफ्ट. आई एम यूजिंग sugar coated words actually, but yeah, it's ironic and funny at the same time. So that's it for the time being. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take very good care of yourself.